And today we are going to make this really sweet Mehndi inspired letter. The materials we're going to use for this project is just an MDF letter. You could use one made with any materials, just whether it's wood or metal. We have a ruler, we have a paint pen, and then we have a fine-tipped Sharpie. And then you just need something to draw a circle around. So to start, we're going to design our flowers, and taking a pencil, you just want to kind of randomly place your flowers. Now this is thin enough, as in the letter is thin enough, that you're probably not going to get too many flowers that are complete and that looks nice regardless. So I've started off by tracing the circles on our letter, and now I'm going to take our paint pen and we are going to just start to trace those lines. And this is going to be the center of our flowers. Now, this design is based on some Mehndi patterns, so I would suggest that you go online and find some references, some reference photos or drawings that you can follow. It really helps quite a bit, actually. So then, I'll start over here. We got that main circle. We want to go in and we want to draw a small circle in the center. Doesn't have to be perfect. We got a little warble there when that happens. And there we have it, our beautiful Mehndi inspired monogram.